So today I'm going to show you how to withdraw your money on the Charles Schwab website / browser. And you can see we're actually going to be doing this in real time so you can follow along step by step. So here we're on the home page of our Charles Schwab. Once we logged into our account, you can actually see right over here, this is actually highlighted for accounts. Now, one little quick caveat when it comes to going through this process is sometimes not all your money will be available to withdraw right away. It could be because there's still money transferring in, or if you sold stocks, sometimes it takes a couple of days to go through officially. Now, what we want to do is actually go to our Move Money tab, which is going to be right up here at the top right-hand side of the screen, or kind of middle of the screen, I should say. If you toggle on this, this will have a drop-down menu for a couple new options here for us. And to make things really, really quick, you can actually just go ahead and jump right to online transfers. Now in this section here for us, this is where we're going to set up our transfer, and we're going to be doing a cash transfer here, which is already toggled here for us. And then what we're going to want to do is go ahead and choose the account we want to withdraw from. Now this is very similar to transferring money in, but we're obviously doing this in reverse, and we want to pull money from our investing account. So we're going to go ahead and choose that account in the drop down menu over here, and we're going to see the next section populate. All right, so we went ahead and added our individual account on here, and you can see our current cash availability is $11 to withdraw. And if that is not the same as your buying power, again, keep in mind that sometimes it just takes a couple days for any pending transactions to finish through to be able to then withdraw from your account. So from here, we want to go ahead and choose the account we want to transfer to, and this we can choose our external accounts, or if you have a Charles Schwab bank account, you can transfer it to there. So we're going to go ahead and choose our external account. All right, so we added that external account right over here, and then this new section populated over here for us. So we're going to go ahead and choose the dollar amount, obviously keeping it within what is available for us. So let's just go ahead and do $5 for our example here today. The frequency, you can choose different types of frequencies. We're going to do one time and then today's transaction date, but you can also choose days ahead of time if you would like. If everything looks good, we're going to click on continue, keeping in mind that this is not official just yet. So we get taken over here to our review page. So just making sure right over here, everything looks good, where we're sending it from, where we're sending it to, how much, and then what the date is. If all of that looks good, we're going to go ahead and click on submit. So from right over here, you can see this is our confirmation page. This has now officially been submitted to have our money transferred. It can take typically anywhere from 1 to 2 business days to go over to that external account. Now there is more to keep on learning when it comes to managing your finances, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen to keep on learning.